Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 13 different ways on how to tie a silk scarf more elegantly around your head. Let's get started. You get started by folding the scarf in two, taking it back and tying it at the back of your neck. How do I look? I think this is giving me Marilyn Monroe's vibe. I love scarfing because it adds a touch of class to your outfit. Alright guys, so the next one requires you to hold the hair elastic or headband or whatever you have. Now you have to put up your hair into a ponytail, half of your hair actually, and secure it with the hair elastic you just had on your hand right now. See, it's messy, this is what we need, and you begin to tie the scarf around your ponytail. Leave it to be a little bit messy and begin to style it to look dangly. See how beautiful it is. Just make sure it's long enough so everyone can see the style. I think I look cheeky. Secure your hair scarf underneath your hair elastic and begin to braid your hair and the silk scarf together. You can go all the way to the end, but I like to leave some leave out. Begin to wrap your braided hair around your ponytail. Twist and tighten and fix any mess if necessary. I chose to call this style beach scarfing. I feel like it's meant for the beach. And you can pull the braids down if you want. It's something still beautiful. What do you think? I think it's okay. Bring your triangle scarf down to your forehead just below your brows and begin to secure behind your neck and tighten the knots. You can tie it very clean. I don't know how to explain this, but I hope you can see what I'm doing in this video. Make it as clean as you can. And adjust your scarf as you may prefer, according to your face shape or whatever you like. But I love this and I think it looks good on me. I think this is a silk scarf in a bandana style. I think so. Wrap your scarf and then wrap the scarf around your hairline. That's all you have to do. And then wrap this scarf underneath your scarf. Underneath your hairline, whatever. This is probably the easiest. Ignore my serious face guide. I'm just making sure I'm getting everything perfectly in this video and see how clean behind my hair looks. Simple, cheeky, and fabulous. Oh yeah, I think I have some clips where I'm smiling. Reduce the tension of making a video. That's good. Well, this is called the reversal method. You remember we do this behind your head. Today we're going to be doing everything in front of our face. Tighten, tighten again, but be careful so you don't end up having gross headache. And then you slowly begin to wrap your silk scarf behind your silk scarf, like underneath the silk scarf, I mean to say. Little by little until it is totally clean and effortless. I think this styling method is the quickest and trickiest to achieve. But how do I look, guys? Put your hair behind your neck and wrap your hair scarf around your hairline and tighten in a bow kind of way. This needs no perfection, guys. As long as it looks like something that looks like a bow tie, this is okay. At the end of the day, it doesn't look exactly like a bow tie, but it's cheeky, classy, mature, and elegant. How does it look? This tie is slightly different from the previous tie because I'm going to be tying this scarf right at the center of my head. Please watch closely so you can understand how I did this because I'm so lazy. I don't know what to explain in this video. Just wrap it around your head or do whatever you want. Play with it as long as you get something similar to this, and that's perfectly fine and okay. I think this is fine, or you can completely wrap it around your hair and secure it like a headband or like a bandana. Put your hair up in a messy bun. Wrap your scarf around your bun and tighten your scarf in a bow tie or in a bow tie kind of way. This is my favorite after the second one. You can go with my style or that of the model, whatever you choose is good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.